What's up, buddies? Adam Pecoraro here, and we are doing a 15-minute HIIT Workout Express. You're gonna need a pair of dumbbells and your awesomeness. My friends, do your chain breakers and let's open the chest and let's try to keep our arms parallel to the ground. Alternate which hand's on top just to get your brain working. Take some deep breaths, oxygenate the body, get yourself ready for your workout. Okay, Triceps Swings. Try to go palms together as you come overhead, right? Elbows sky high. Breathing deep. Okay, put a leg back, circle back. Circle forward. You can get a little hip rotation in that forward one. Okay, switch it up. Go back. Go forward. It's good to see y'all. And come on, trunk with a pivot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side bend singles. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scorpions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Circles, in to out, make them big and beautiful. Couple more. Other way, out to in, across your body, and right back to the ground where you picked your foot up from. That core working, if I can get the hips rolling. Okay, double shoulder width morning stretch, big inhale. Summon magic. Prayer stance, take a big breath in. Dear Lord, let this be a very good workout. Palms up, pull around. Hold strong for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Interlock and reach, chin down, reach up as far as you can. Try to keep those arms parallel to the ground. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. One more morning stretch. Pull. Elbows back. Scrape them on the imaginary wall. Buddies. Exercise number 1 is a squat to calf raise. Hey, I'm going to be with you the whole way. So we do your standard squat. I like to zombie my arms. And then when we come up, we're going to lift the heels and drive up a good solid calf raise. Give us some water. Check from your heels. And then to the ball. Okay, bear crawl walkout. Crawl out to a plank. Establish my base. Choose to do a push-up or I'll hit it. When I crawl back and keep my butt down, I get in my bear plank, get my weight over my heels, I can look up, I can zombie, arms parallel to the ground. we're going to do a crunch to a bridge. The crunch, feet are gonna be down, and I'm gonna spear. I go shoulders up because it's not a sit up, so shoulders or shoulder blades up. Pelvis up, up. Move more back. Breathe out on the hardest part of each motion. Up. Time. Alternating lateral lunge. We're double shoulder width. And I like to zombie my arms because it helps keep me in the correct plane with my back. My arms are parallel to the ground, my chest is up, and we're probably in the right plane. Okay. Comes back. Up. Other one. Comes back. Keep your knee behind your toes by having a really good hip hinge. Okay, y'all keep going. We'll do this. Stick my butt back. Keep my knee behind my toes. Not rounding my back. Not doing this. That's why I zombie, just to keep myself honest. This dynamic stretch on our inner thigh. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. You're doing great. We have bicep curls with a static hold. So whatever way you choose, we're going to curl both up to start. Leave one, lower the other, bring it back up, leave it, lower the opposite. Elbows tight. Get really good at this one. Do our Sally biceps. The idea behind the static hold is time under tension. You don't need real heavy weight. So I went for something heavier and I was like, you know what? Let me do something that's a little more reasonable. It's still a challenge. We're doing 25s. Okay, Tricep Kickbacks. This is a twofer, so what we're going to do is go to a ski width stance, narrow, and I come down like I'm going to do a bent over row, chest down, hips back, weight knees. I can brace on my leg, I load, and then I'm going to kick back, kick the blade of the hand, meet below the pinky, kick that back. Try not to have too much swing. Hold. Kick back. Kick back. Always take inset rep break. Put the dumbbell down. Pick it up. 1 minute. Some quality reps. Moving on, right? And this one we're going to move on to 5 seconds. The hand that just worked out, rest on your leg. In, kick back. Again, the blade of the hand, meet below the pinky. Have that try to force the dumbbell out. Keep your elbow up. Keep everything tight to your body. Down. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Your legs are getting work in that stance too. That's a static, not quite a squat, but let's just call it that. Static squat stance. Okay, so now we got turnkey biceps. So here's the way it works. If you come up in a hammer position, you then turn and undo the lock, and then lower in a supinated position. And you come up that way and you turn back the hammer to lock the door and back to your side. Turn, lower. And then come up, turn, lower. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Control the weight. Up, in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Up. Bend over row. So the way this works is same as the tricep kickback. We're going to front load the weight. We're going to row both, and then we're going to row one, then the other, and then both. So I lock and load. Both come up to my ribs, then one arm and the other arm. Both come up. One arm, the other arm. Up, up, up. 1, 2, 3. 1. Breathe out and take a mid-set rep break because my arms are really feeling it. That's okay. This means I got the right intensity if I'm getting tired. Here. Part of what makes this work is not giving your muscles a really long recovery. And good old shoulder presses. So I'm going to do a split stance. I'm going to put one leg in front. My rear heel is going to come up. I'm going to squeeze my butt. And we just rapid fire press. This is last one, best one. Get the blood pumping. Get the muscles moving. Get the body feeling alive. Elbows close. Squeeze your butt so you can protect your back. Okay, now keep going if you can. I need a mid-set rep break. 30 seconds left. Hit 15. See if I can get at least 5 more. Okay, gang. You still going? Need you, man. Big finish. What do we like to say? Last one. Last one. That's 5. Gotta push it. All right. So my friends, how was that for you? Do me a favor, like this video, give it a thumbs up, but then in the comments, tell me about the workout. Is it something that was, a nice change of pace? Was it something that was like, oh man, give me a few more of those, Adam? Or were you like, no, I want the stuff that's like jumping, moving, twisting, come on. If you haven't already subscribed, would you help me out by subscribing and clicking the click. Too much exercise. Clicking the notification bell so that you can be updated and notified boy, best outro ever. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next workout.